So this customer came in because their 2007 Infiniti was shaking and misfiring at a stop, and while driving, we scanned the codes. The code had a PO300, which is a multi-cylinder misfire. On our Autel scan tool, we were able to go to special functions. We could find past misfire counts, and that was able to show us that cylinder number 5 recorded 1,406 misfires in the past. Real-time cylinder 5 misfire wasn't actually happening on our Autel while we were recording, but we were then able to go to active test and perform a cylinder power balance check. The power balance check can deactivate individual cylinders. So when we start it up, you can feel it's misfiring a little bit.
Waiting for connection.
We can monitor a bunch of different things during this, bunch of different inputs, signals that the car has. Not anything, not super important. I'll just pick 3 random ones. But what I'm watching for is to watch the engine RPM and to feel if the cylinder, if the car dies at all, or gets worse, or gets better, or stays the same. So we're going to deactivate cylinder number 1. We can feel the car definitely made a difference there. We already know cylinder number 5 is our culprit, so we're going to deactivate cylinder number 2. Same thing. Dies. Oop, come back. Cylinder number 3, same thing, and we can watch the engine RPM drop as this happens. Cylinder number 4. Now this is cylinder number 5. I just deactivated cylinder number 5, and there's no change to it. The engine RPM's staying the same. Let's go ahead and deactivate cylinder number 6. You can feel a change there too. So cylinder number 5 is where we would start here. Our next step would be to remove the spark plug and ignition coil. If it's some of these cars, the intake plenum might be blocking one of them. We have to pop the hood, figure out which cylinder, which spark plug and ignition coil is cylinder number 5. Take that spark plug out, take that coil out, look at it, see if we see any damage. If everything is okay or there's no signs of wear or anything, we'll swap those with a couple other different cylinders, whatever is easiest to get to. If it's 135, we'll put the spark plug maybe on cylinder 1, the ignition coil on cylinder 3, and we'll make a mental note of that, write it down so that we don't mix anything up of where has the different spark plug and ignition coil. If the misfire jumps to cylinder 1 and it has the coil from cylinder number 5, then 1 is the culprit, and you get what I mean. So we'll watch the diagnostic procedure just to see what is actually the wrong thing. In a case with a car with 100,000 miles, typically you're probably going to recommend 6 spark plugs and 6 ignition coils, but want to make sure that we're calling the right part. So we'll do that to figure out what's cost effective and what is the bad part. So that's it. Thank you.